No Marshall Leo. All right. Warren's going to be busy with the GoPro. All right, everybody's checked in. The order is Brian, Ted, and Dave. Corner marshals ready. All right, 5-minute A-main, Tuff truck. Corner marshals ready, drivers ready. You're going to go on the horn in less than 5. Here comes Ted all over the back of Brian Davis. Brian smooth, steady. Oh, Ted tossed it over. He had a spot on Brian. Ted already letting the back of the body fly. It's faster that way. Oh, Ted saw it open. He took it. Ted to the lead. Flashed the high beams and Brian and said, move over. Oh, your leader on his roof. Brian back around. Ted led part of the lap, but not the one that counted. He didn't go over the line first. Brian retains the lead. Ted with the faster truck. By far. Oh, your leader hard into the wall. Bad spot for quarter marshal. That's going to let Ted. Oh, good job quartering. Oh no, Brian Davin with the. Minute 20 down, guys, 3:40 to go. Minute 20 down, 3:40 to go. Ted in control of this one. Brian Davin with a shutdown. Ted out front, Dave Smith on the same lap, not that far behind. Ted can ill afford to mess around. Dave Smith will sneak in there. Dave running a good line there. A really nice lap out of Dave. He is cooking it. Two down, a little less than 3 to go on this one. Ted and Dave. Oh, Dave catching a bad lap. Ted extending his lead. Halfway, drivers, 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Brian Davin back out on the track. $2:10 to go, drivers. 2:10 to go. Ted out front. Dave second. 2 to go, drivers. 2 to go. The leader upside down. Ted's extremely large tires helping out of that. One and a half to go, drivers. 1.5 to go. Ted out front. Dave Smith still on the same lap. Your leader upside down again. The leader hard into the wall. That's going to let Dave Smith inch closer. We got a little over a minute to go. It is not over. Ted's rhythm seems to be off just a little. He's fighting the control right now on that extra horsepower. I don't know if he can hold up to the pressure of Dave Smith. He has got traction galore. He's throwing it all over the track. More camber. Seconds, drivers. Looks like Ted, if he makes it around, will get a victory lap. Seconds, drivers. Oh, 5 seconds. Ted's victory lap. Not that impressive. Time is expired on the master clock. Bring him around. You finish the lap you're on. Dave Smith, you are done. Ted on his roof. Victory lap. And Ted takes it down 14.5.23. Dave Smith 13.5.10. Look at Ted Steele.